up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a kind of fun New Year's Eve eye and face look. I will kind of walk you through step by step from beginning to end and how I came up with this cute little look. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright, so we're going to be doing a fun New Year's Eve eye. I'm using the Mavie Cosmetics Take Me to Tokyo palette. I bought 3 of these, so I have Take Me to Tokyo, Take Me to Hong Kong, and Take Me to Paris. So like, I've already used these 2 palettes. I did a video using this one, and then I just did a look the other day using the Take Me to Paris. Both of them are really nice. Even Mavie Cosmetics gave me some love on my Instagram page. Thank you very much. I really do love these palettes. These palettes are really nice. So we're gonna do a fun New Year's Eve eye using these colors right here. Because normally you see like the gold eye with the bold lip, like all that kind of stuff. I want to do something a little different and not so standard for New Year's Eve, because usually I like having a little fun. So we're gonna start off with this base. So I've already put my primer on, which is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. We're going to roll with, I want to feel kind of flawless as my mascara fell. I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix foundation. So I'm going to take my little trusty e.l.f. foundation blending brush. I'm going to just kind of squirt it all over the place. Hey, so we're just going to do that as all of that gook gets out. So I'm going to take my brush and kind of do my thing. Yeah, that's on my shirt. Great. Into the skin. I used to use this foundation with a sponge, and now I find that it works best with a brush. It goes on a lot more evenly. Had to see the mayhem behind me. It squirted everywhere. That's all over my face. Now I'm going to spot treat where necessary with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. so now I'm going to roll with my, that was in the shade dark 46. I'm going to roll with shade dark 40, brighten up these under eyes. So now we're going to, I'm going to go off camera, set all this with some powder, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have done my brows off camera, powdered my face, put on my eyeshadow primer, and we're now going to go in with the Mavie Cosmetics Take Me to Tokyo. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to go into the shade, I'm going to go into the shade Pinku Gal right here and start my transition. So I've got that color down. Now I'm going to go into Harajuku right here. I'm going to Harajuku right here and deepen this up. Okay, I'm going to take that first brush and I'm going to dip back into Pinku Gal and kind of blend out these edges. Again, the key to all of this is blend, 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 so you don't have any harsh edges. Okay, so now I'm going to clean that brush off. I'm going to dip into a little bit of Shinto Shrine. Whoops, sorry. A little bit of Shinto Shrine right here. And deepen this up a little bit more. I'm going to take again my trusty e.l.f. brush right here, no excess, dip into Harajuku and Shinto Shrine, and go under the outer bottom corner. Be right back. Alright, so I've put my primer on my face. Now I'm going to go in with my trusty AOA Studio brush. And I'm going to, we're going to roll into take Bullet Train right here and put this on the outer portion of my lid. Done with that. Now I'm going to take Kawaii right here, put that on the inner portion of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to spray it down. I'm going to go into Anime Fan right here and take that on the bottom inner portion of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to clean that brush off. Let's see. There's not really an inner corner highlight color in this palette, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll into Take Me to Paris, and I'm going to hit up the shade Bon Appetit right here and put that in my inner corner. Okay, so let me go do my liner and lashes off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've finished my eyes off camera, so now we're going to do the last little bit, which will be the contouring and highlighting. So, grab those brushes. So I'm going to take, again, my black Radiance pressed powder, and I'm going to carve out these cheekbones. Okay, and then now we're going to do some blush. Again, we'll go in with my Juvia's Place Afrique blush in Serafina. You can see I've been kind of digging into this one a little bit. I really like it. It's that nice kind of peachy pink blush to the skin. It gives you some life. Alright, so now I'm going to roll with, over here, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Dual Light Highlight Palette. I'm going to take my brush that I love using. I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to go into, I'm going to go on a top notch right here and use this as my highlight. And now, last but certainly not least, I'm going to use one of my Disney Princess Collection lipsticks. I'm going to roll with this one, which is Jasmine. Look at that color. Just stunning. I'll roll with Jasmine. Didn't mean to do that. I clean that up a little bit. Make sure everything is looking okie doke. Alright guys, so this is my finished fun New Year's Eve look. Trying to do something different, not so generally like neutral shades. Want to do something a little bright and fun. Fits my personality, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, then click the subscribe button or click that like button. Comment down below letting me know what you think. I had to change the lip color. It was a little too saturated for me. I want to go a little more paler and it's kind of bubblegum pink. So again, if you like this look, comment down below. Obviously, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos. And until next time guys, deuces and Happy New Year's.